Lung cancer is a very common cancer in males and females. Most common question addressed by the public is whether persistent cough is a symptom of lung cancer. Yes, persistent cough lasting for weeks and months is a common symptom associated with the lung cancer. It can be seen in smokers and non-smokers. It may be associated with other symptoms like breathlessness, chest pain, blood in sputum. It may be associated with a significant weight loss also. But this symptom, persistent cough, is a common symptom associated with other diseases also, like bronchiectasis, tuberculosis, etc. If you have these symptoms, you should consult a doctor. Proper examination and investigation will guide you to the proper diagnosis.